Hi, this is a message from Mixup Blendup, and I would like to take the time out to thank you all for subscribing, liking, and commenting on my channel. It's been a wonderful year so far, and I would also like to take the time out to say big up to all the persons that I posted on my channel. They have been doing excellent. And I just want to ask you all to go ahead and support them in their different business ventures. Um, Also, I would like to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a happy New Year when it comes. I wish you all the best in the year to come. Thank you so much once again for following, for subscribing, I should say, liking and commenting, and I will continue to provide you with the best content out there. And also remember to keep loving each other no matter what. Don't let the post and stuff, you know, get you guys to turn against each other. We say one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all right. Now we have to unite no matter what. Just keep loving each other and do the best we can in whatever way we can. Love you all and thank you all for the support. Have a great